So this video is going to be the overview of the scene itself. So right now I'm going to show you that what we are going to be creating in this course. So you have this folder right here. Now this is the final output we are going to make. So this entire city, everything is going to be in the Maya itself. And one plugin is there that is called Renderman for the rendering software. So this is our aim. So this is you are going to create, and you have to submit this picture by yourself. I'll show you each and everything in detail, so you don't have any kind of problem with this thing, right? So the first thing first, let me show you how this entire city is made of inside Maya software. All right. So right now you can see whenever you're going to get this folder, in this folder you'll have a Maya file and you have a texture file, or maybe you can say texture folder. In this folder you have all the textures I have created with proper naming, so you don't have any kind of problem with this. And also underscore is also very important. I'll tell you why later. Even you have HDR file, so each and everything is here as a texture in this folder, and this is our final output we're aiming for, and this is the Maya file. Now in this Maya file, every models are there with UVs. Because of this is not at all a UV kind of or making modeling kind of lecture. Only we have to focus in lighting. So once you get this, so first of all double click on it. So maybe perhaps you'll be getting this kind of an error. So no issue. What you have to do exactly, just click on this apply button and then choose allow. Now this is the entire scene I have created for you. So right now you can see, first of all, what we have to do, I need to tell you each and everything how this file is consist of. Otherwise, if I don't show anything, you're not going to understand the file itself, right? So let me show you what is this all about. So the topic is scene overview. Go to perspective viewport and you can see we have, if I have this turned on, you can see we have wireframe. So the first of all we have some, this is the land, or maybe you can say dock. So this is the dock I have, and if I go for this outliner, I can see if I select each and every any piece, any kind of model. If I press F key, you'll get this land geo 1, 2, 3. Everything is properly written for you, so you shouldn't have a problem to find it out, right? So first of all, you need to go through with this, otherwise you will be lost, and this is what I don't want at all. Because of you have to make each and everything what I'm showing you, and you have to submit it also. All right. So the first thing, what is the thing? This is the geometry, and everything is in a group properly. You can see this is the building. If I press F key, you can focus it, you can take a look of it, absorb these things, and we have this building group also. Press F key here also, you can see this is building number 7. We have lots of building, like something 22 buildings we have here, small, big, medium size. Now you can see we have a plane right here. This plane is for matrix effect. So if I show you, you can see a matrix kind of effect is here. So this green effect, and this is done by only using a plane. This is a plane right here. And if I F key, press F key in the light outliners, you can see we have this matrix geo. If I press H key, you can hide it, no issue. Now you can see we have another thing, and which is, you can see the light coming here.